Hey everybody, Noel from HomeQwik. I am doing my inaugural first one ever taco review. I'm at Modern Margarita with a couple of friends from my BNI chapter. The first one up is James Igbonovia from VIP Mortgage. And James, tell us what's hot in the mortgage business right now.
Well, obviously rates are hot right now. So, we're seeing rates right now that are in the mid to low twos, depending on the type of mortgage you're trying to get. So, phone has literally been blowing up this year. I'm thankful to have the business, but love to do what I can to support and help anybody else that's looking to get refinanced.
So everybody should get refinanced, or if they're obviously getting a new home, they got to do it now, right?
Right now I get this question a lot. Is this a good time? You know, when you look at the affordability between now and a year ago, you know, the rate difference is equivalent to about 50, 60,000 in buying power. So
Jeez.
It's a really good time.
That's crazy. Well, awesome. Thank you, James, for showing up.
Yeah.
His info's posted. You can see it right here on the video. Make sure you reach out if you need a refi or if you're looking to buy a new property. He's your guy.
Thanks, guys.
Ron.
All right, guys. My next friend and interviewee today for Taco Tuesday #1 is Debbie Heileman with PuroClean. Debbie, tell us what's the main focus of your business.
The main focus of our business is water, fire, mold, and biohazard cleanup. All that yucky disasters that you just don't know what to do, call us and we'll walk you through it and fix it.
All that stuff you can't plan for, like Christmas, Christmas tree catches fire, you get some damage. You guys take care of that?
We absolutely do. So we do fire and smoke cleaning. I can't overstate how invasive smoke is when you have a fire. It goes everywhere. So we're there to help you clean it up.
Great. So any kind of property damage, smoke, fire, mold, water.
And biohazard.
Biohazard. Ooh, that sounds scary. Hope you don't get one of those. You see Debbie's info here at PuroClean. Guys, you got to reach out and see her. She's the best in the biz.
Thanks, Noel.
You're on.
All right, guys, I had a lot of friends on my first Taco Tuesday. This is Marko with Intricate Digital Marketing. I didn't want to butcher your last name. How do we say it?
Sipila.
Sipila. So Marko is, well, let him tell you, but you are the internet marketing guy, right?
That's right. First of all, thank you for inviting me to the Taco Tuesday today. Appreciate it. So my name is Marko with Intricate Digital Marketing. We specialize in helping construction businesses with their marketing solutions. We've seen a lot of things in the last couple of years, including bad websites and fixing them up, bringing that solution right to the door.
Great. So you help with SEO. You said you also build websites, right?
Correct. So it really starts with a new website, and then you move into the advertising, with Google specifically, and then also SEO, search engine optimization.
Awesome. Well, hey guys, he's the one to get you some clicks, get you some leads off of the internet. So Marko's info is posted here too. Make sure you give him a ring so he can help you get those calls and grow your business for 2021. Thanks, Marko.
Appreciate it.
Face not being the Suns. Get over to your right.
You're gonna have to come every time now, Debbie. Okay, tell me when.
Oh, you're already on.
I'm already on? Yes. All right, well, hey, first time. There's about to be a couple of mistakes. So, taco review, 2 bites, nobody knows the rules. We're at Modern Margarita. I am gonna try their carne asada. It's good. And messy. Huge piece of fresh avocado. Great cabbage on there. The salsa's awesome. Stuff flying out of my mouth. Who cares, right? Carne asada has an awesome flavor. We got the taco flight. So we had fish, chicken, veggie, pork, and carne. I highly recommend it. Great spot here at High Street. Bring some friends, do some networking on your own. Check out me and more of these Taco Tuesdays. We're gonna do them once a week. If you want to get in, hit me up. My contact info's on this video. Thanks for checking us out, guys. We'll see you next week.
You're on.
All right, guys. Well, rookie mistake. Totally forgot to actually score the taco, but I thought I'd bring Marissa in from Modern Margarita. She was awesome. Marissa, what's your favorite thing about working here at Modern Margarita?
Eating all the tacos.
Yeah, I mean, how can you beat that? I had the carne, and no joke, one of the best carne tacos I've had, carne asada. First time scoring one, I'm going to say 8.2. Thanks, guys. See you next time.